Today we're going to talk about the Unist In-Die Quick Connect. The In-Die Quick Connect allows users to quickly and easily connect and disconnect fluid and air lines to LV and airless spray nozzles. This allows the user to permanently mount the nozzles so they do not have to be moved or dismounted for die changes. Connecting and disconnecting lube and air lines for nozzles can be done with a single touch. Each connection is equipped with an integral check valve to prevent any leaks or dripping while the lines are disconnected. Additionally, the connections are marked and keyed so they cannot be coupled together incorrectly, guaranteeing that each nozzle sprays as it was programmed. The Unist In-Die Quick Connect is a quick, easy, clean solution for connecting permanently mounted nozzles. Please contact us to configure and order your In-Die Quick Connect.